Did you know that you can easily send personalized video messages to leads inside of the HighLevel mobile app or LeadConnector app? It doesn't cost you anything extra and it's super easy to use. So let's dive in. I just got somebody new that became an affiliate of mine. And so they're here. Their name is Marcus. And you can see that I can choose to send them an email, an SMS, WhatsApp. I can take a picture. But what I'm going to do is hit this plus button and I have all of these options. But what I'm going to do here is select video. And then I'll just turn that around and look at myself. I'm just going to record a quick video to Marcus here. Hey Marcus, thank you so much for joining our community. If you haven't already, make sure that you have access to all of the products. And if for some reason something doesn't look right, please reach out. We'd love to help you. Just so you know, the first call is coming up next week. We have those bi-monthly. I'd love to help you with any questions you have, getting set up, tech strategy, doesn't matter what it is. I'm there to help you. Thanks so much again for joining, and just respond to this thread if you have anything and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. All right. And then just like that, I hit use video. And while that loads, by the way, in that list of options we saw, you can actually select a video from your camera roll as well. You don't have to record it live like I did there. And there we go. I've got this link. It's a LeadConnectorHQ.com link. So this is a gray label. There's no option to customize this link as of now natively within the software, but I'm going to go ahead and hit send here. And then once he clicks on it, it's just going to pull up in his browser. So the benefit of this is it's not like a video he has to download. It just pulls up right there. And it's got that picture that pops up in the actual text message that makes it look like, oh yeah, I want to click on this because I recognize this person. So pretty cool feature here. And I'm sure your head is starting to come up with some ideas of how you could use this, but let me just give you some examples. So number one would be lead follow-up. If you have some sort of offer where it would be beneficial right after someone opts in or within 24 hours to send them a text message like this, it can drastically improve your sales metrics. It also fits really well after somebody's booked an appointment, but before they've shown up. If you have a client that's, let's say, a doctor or some sort of brick and mortar in person, if you can get that to them maybe 24 hours before their appointment, that will definitely help with show up rates. And kind of a variation on those first two that I mentioned, you could record some of the features and say, I can't wait to show you on the call we're going to have, it can do this, it can do this, and make it a short little video that's friendly with your face, but also give them a preview of what you guys are going to talk about. And if you're selling some sort of physical product, yeah, take that out, show them and say, hey, I saw you were looking at this on the website. I just wanted to show you what it looks like in person and what it looks like compared to, whatever object, an apple or my hand. And then lastly, this would be really positive for people who have gone cold. So maybe 2-3 months down the line, they didn't close, they no-showed, something like that. It's a slow day around the office. Just take the people who are all in that pipeline stage and send them personalized videos. You never know who you're going to convert from that. And if you're worrying about you or your team members forgetting this, remember there's a task feature in HighLevel where you could actually assign this task to somebody and it comes up on their to-do list, and inside of the task they can actually click on the contact name, it'll take them there, they can film it, and then they go back and they do the rest of them for that day. For a full video tutorial and blog breaking down every step of the process, go to gohighlevel.com/blog and search video messages and you'll find it there. Thanks for tuning in, and what are you waiting for? Go check out this feature right now.